Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today I'm going to discuss about the axilla and front of forearm. Okay. Now axilla. Axilla. Axilla or armpit is a fat-filled pyramid-shaped space between the upper part of the arm and the side of the chest wall. Boundaries. Boundaries of axilla. Apex. Axilla also called cervico axillary canal. Cervico axillary canal. Apex হচ্ছে anteriorly clavicle, posteriorly superior border of the scapula, and medially outer border of the first rib, and base of the floor হচ্ছে skin and fascia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Boundaries also at anterior wall pectoralis major. Anterior wall formed by pectoralis major, clavipectoral fascia, and pectoralis minor. And posterior wall subcapularis, teres major, latissimus dorsi. Medial wall upper four ribs with their intercostal muscle and serratus anterior muscle. Lateral wall upper end of humerus, coracobrachialis, and short head of biceps brachii. Boundaries. Boundaries হচ্ছে this is axilla and here only apex of axilla. Now content of axilla: axillary artery and its branch, axillary vein and tributaries, intraclavicular part of brachial plexus, and 5 groups of axillary lymph node and their associated lymphatics. Content of axilla. Now the axillary artery. Axillary artery is a continuation of subclavian artery. We know subclavian artery arises from where? Subclavian artery arises করে কোত্থেকে? Subclavian artery arises from arch of aorta. Okay, artery continuation, axillary artery continuation of subclavian artery, and extension outer border of the first rib and lower border of the teres major muscle. Termination continuation is brachial artery. Axillary artery is continuous with the brachial artery. Parts देखो, parts with branch and of axillary artery. First part হচ্ছে superior to the muscle. Superior to the muscle, superior thoracic artery. Second part হচ্ছে second and deep to the muscle, যেটা posterior to the muscle. Thoracoacromial artery and lateral acromial artery. Parts with branches, the third part inferior to the muscle, the anterior and posterior circumflex humeral artery and subscapular artery. This is clavicle, this is coracoid process of scapula and humerus. Pectoralis major muscle. And superior to muscle, it is first part, and in muscle second part, and inferior muscle the third part. And after third part is a continuation with brachial artery. And branch again, first part, second part, and third part. After third part is brachial artery, and it is arise from subclavian artery. This is subclavian artery, then axillary artery, then brachial artery. Axillary vein, axillary continuum with the axillary vein. Axillary vein is a continuation of basalic vein and formed by lower border of the major muscle by union of basalic vein and vena comitans, the brachial artery. It lies medial side of the axillary artery. Termination হবে at the becoming subclavian vein. Tributaries হচ্ছে vein corresponding to the branches of axillary artery and cephalic vein. The important things of axilla, that is axillary lymph node, this have number situation which is scattered in the fibrofatty tissue in the axilla and number about 20 to 30 in number. Groups, axillary lymph node divided into 5 groups, which anterior, posterior, lateral, central and apical. Axillary lymph node. Axillary lymph node is important for clinical practice. Clinically, axillary lymph node is very important. And also head distribution, location and draining area, axillary lymph node. Anterior along the lateral thoracic vein at the lower border of the pectoralis major, and draining area upper half of the anterior wall of the trunk and major part of the breast, and central and apical groups. Draining into central and apical groups. Posterior of subscapular group, which is along scapular vessel, subscapular vessel, upper half of the posterior wall of the trunk and axillary tail of the breast. Central and draining into central and apical groups. Lateral groups along upper part of the humerus, medial to the axillary vein, enter upper limb, central to the apical groups. The central group in the fat of the upper axilla, anterior and posterior lateral groups, apical groups. Apical or infraclavicular groups. Location is along to the axillary vessel and lead to the clavipectoral fascia. Draining area, central group, upper part of the breast and thumb and its web. And draining jugular subclavian venous and junction and jugular lymphatic trunk. So applied anatomy of axillary lymph node. The palpation of axillary lymph node is a part of clinical examination of the breast due to their involvement of breast cancer. Axillary abscess in the axilla arises from the infection and suppuration of the axillary lymph node. An infection and malignant growth in any part of their tertiary of their damage, which infection and malignant growth in any part of their tertiary of the drainage give rise to involvement of axillary lymph node. The applied anatomy and axillary lymph node is very important for retain and fiber. শুনতে পাচ্ছ তোমরা? দেখো ব্রাকিয়াল প্লেক্সাস ফর্মেশন তোমাদের রনি স্যার বলে দিয়েছে। ব্রাকিয়াল প্লেক্সাস ডিভিশন কি আছে? রুট, ট্রাঙ্ক, কর্ড এন্ড ডিভিশন। হ্যালো,
Yes, ma'am.
Brachial plexus are important for retain and Royal level brachial plexus is come in written exam. The profist and prefist brachial plexus are also important for retain. Applied anatomy of brachial plexus, arc paralysis. This is so important for retain and fiber exam. It means upper lesion of the brachial plexus resulting for excessive displacement of head of the opposite side and depression of the shoulder on the same side. And causes of injury, এটা injury হয় হচ্ছে arch pointed, injury in the arch point resulting arc paralysis. Cause की birth injury, fall on shoulder and during anesthesia. Brachial plexus, applied anatomy, only arc paralysis is important. Therefore, this is arch point. This is arch point. Here, any injuries occur resulting arc paralysis. This condition developed is arc. Also, applied anatomy is campus paralysis. That's also important. Okay, important fiber related question. about axilla, boundary and content of axilla, why axillary lymph node are clinically important. This is important. I discuss above. I discuss why axillary lymph node are clinically important. Now, tell the why nerves of super extremity bound brachial flexures and root below the various nerves, root below various nerves. Example: axillary, medial, ulnar, and musculocutaneous nerve. An important written related question. Now, frontoforum. Frontoforum consists of 8 muscle, 2 arteries, and 3 nerves. 8 muscle, 5 superficial, and 3 deep. And 2 arteries are radial and ulnar, and 3 nerve, medial, ulnar, and radial nerve. So muscles, name of muscle, superficial muscle and deep muscle. নামগুলো জেনে নিবে। Superficial muscle, origin insertion. Superficial muscle origin insertion, এখান থেকে important muscle বলতে pronator teres, medial epicondyle of humerus, and medial of lateral aspect of the shaft of the radius. Can you hear me? তোমরা কি শুনতে পাচ্ছ আমাকে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
বুঝতেছো কি? কোনো কোশ্চেন করতেছ না, স্লাইডগুলো দেখতেছো, বুঝতেছো তো? Can any foreigner join with us? Kashmiri foreigner? Response? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now superficial muscle of forearm, which origin and insertion. Pronator teres, medial epicondyle of humerus, and inserted into medial and lateral aspect of the shaft of the radius. There are also important muscle which flexor digitorum superficialis. The two head, humeral head and radial head. Humeral head originate from medial epicondyle of humerus and medial border of the coracoid process of ulna. And radial head anterior oblique line of the shaft of the radius and corresponding side of the middle of the phalanx. A superficial muscle, nerve supply and action. All muscle are supplied by median nerve, and only flexor carpi ulnaris is supplied by ulnar nerve. তোমরা দেখে নিবা। Deep muscle, then deep muscle. Deep muscle মধ্যে important muscle হচ্ছে pronator quadratus, that is originate from upper 2/3 of the anterior surface of the radius below the anterior oblique line and adjoining part of the interosseous membrane, and inserted into the anterior surface of the base of the distal phalanx of the thumb. Of deep muscle and action of the deep muscle. Flexor digitorum profunda is supplied by ulnar nerve and anterior interosseous nerve. Flexor pollicis longus supplied by anterior interosseous nerve and pronator quadratus supplied by anterior interosseous nerve. Actionগুলো তোমরা নিজে নিজে পড়ে নিবে। Now radial artery. Radial artery is a smaller terminal branch. It is a continuation of brachial artery. Brachial artery is divided into elbow joint and divided into ulnar and radial artery. Their course. So this is brachial artery. Brachial artery again divided into two parts: radial artery and ulnar artery at the elbow joint. Elbow joint are divided into radial and ulnar artery. This is radial artery and this is ulnar artery. Now branch গুলো তোমরা পড়ে নিবে। Radial artery, applied anatomy দেখো, radial artery used for feeding the arterial pulse. We check arterial pulse at the radial artery at the wrist joint. Important, অনেক সময় আসে। Now ulnar artery also continuation of the brachial artery, and it is divided into wrist joint, the cubital fossa of the level of the neck of the radius. Here branches of the forearm, ulnar artery. Now median nerve. Front of the forearm is important nerve of forearm is median nerve. Median nerve is the main nerve of the front of the forearm. Root below is very important for median nerve. Root below is C5 to C8 and T8 segment of spinal cord. Course is not so important. Supplying area and distribution. Branch, muscular branch, anterointerosseous nerve, articular branch, vascular branch, and communicating branch. Muscular branch supply the superficial flexor muscle foramen except the flexor carpi ulnaris, which is supplied by the ulnar nerve. Anterior interosseous nerve, flexor pollicis longus, flexor digitorum profundus, and pronator quadratus. Articular branch in the elbow, radioulnar, and wrist joint. Vascular branches which radial and ulnar arteries. Communicating branch which are associated with ulnar nerve. Now applied anatomy. Ronisa bole gেছে median nerve check carpal tunnel syndrome. Median nerve applied anatomy carpal tunnel syndrome. Definition is compression of the median nerve in the carpal tunnel gives rise to motor, vasomotor, and trophic symptom in the hand called carpal tunnel syndrome. Effect of the motor change কি হবে? Apex like thumb হবে. Wasting of the thenar eminence মানে thenar muscle, loss of position of thumb, index and middle finger. Sensory loss কি হবে? Loss of sensation of the lateral 3, 4, 3, 5 disease and nail beds. Vasomotor change, so loss of sweating on the area. Trophic change to dry and scaly skin, and pain in distribution of median nerve and common at the night. এটার পেইনটা হবে at night. বুঝতেছো তোমরা? স্লাইড গুলো থেকে তোমরা পরে শর্ট করে নিতে পারবে এগুলা পরবর্তীতে এগুলা আমি শর্ট হিসেবে একদম রিটেল কোশ্চেনের মতো। হ্যালো, ক্যান ইউ হিয়ার মি?
Yes, ma'am.
বুঝতেছো তোমরা?
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকলে কোশ্চেন করো, আমি স্লাইড রিপিট করা লাগলে আমি রিপিট করব। হ্যাঁ দেখো, ulnar nerve.
Okay.
Ulnar nerve enters from medial cord of brachial plexus. We know that nerve of superior extremity has arise from brachial plexus. Then root below of ulnar which is C7 to C8 and T1 segment of spinal cord. Course is not important. Here branch and distribution. Ulnar nerve branch and distribution. Muscular branch, ulnar cutaneous branch, dorsal cutaneous branch, and articular branch. And here supplying area. Muscular branch supply the flexor carpi ulnaris, medial half of the flexor digitorum profundus, palmaris brevis, and 3 hypothenar muscle and 2 lambic and all interosseous and abductor pollicis and often flexor pollicis brevis also. And palmar cutaneous branch supply the hypothenar eminence. And the proximal dorsal cutaneous branch যেটা হচ্ছে proximal part of the ulnar 2.5 finger and adjoining area of the dorsum of the hand. And articular branch হচ্ছে elbow and wrist joint, supply the elbow and wrist joint. Here applied anatomy of ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve injury হলে কি হয় তোমরা জানো? Claw hand. সেই condition in which there is hyperextension হবে, hyperextension of metacarpophalangeal joint and flexion of the interphalangeal joint of the 4th and 5th finger due to injury of the ulnar nerve. causes paralysis of lumbricals and interosseous muscle of the fourth and fifth fingers. Here claw hand রয়েছে ring finger and index finger কি হচ্ছে ফ্লেকশন হয়ে গেছে and index and middle finger hyper extension. সাইন কি হবে সাইন vasomotor change, warm and dry skin, trophic change, dry and scaly skin and nail cracks হবে, নখগুলো ভেঙে যাবে and unable to spread the finger, finger গুলো সে সোজা করতে পারবে না. Loss of abduction of the thumb and flexion of the ring and little finger, the ring and little finger flexion. Cause কি আছে Klumpix paralysis যেটা brachial close applied anatomy, sorry, and lesion of the medial cord of the brachial plexus and lesion of the ulnar nerve and median nerve and median ulnar nerve lesion of the ulnar nerve causes claw hand and median nerve, we know that medial nerve causes carpal tunnel syndrome. Medial nerve also causes কি develop syndrome যেটা হচ্ছে claw hand. তারপর radial nerve now radial nerve branch হচ্ছে distribution and supply হচ্ছে muscular branch and cutaneous branch. Muscular branch হচ্ছে above the spinal group, long and medial head of triceps, spiral group হচ্ছে lateral and medial head of the triceps and anteriors. Below the radial nerve হচ্ছে brachialis and brachioradialis and extensor thapi radialis longus. Cutaneous branch above the radial group, skin of the back of the arm and in the radial group, skin of the lower lateral arm of the posterior forearm. And articular branch so radius supply the radial joint and terminal branch supply the radial side of the thumb and thinner eminence, ulnar side of the thumb, radial side of the index, contiguous side of the index and middle finger and contiguous side of the middle and ring finger. Here applied anatomy of radial nerve. We know any injury in the radial nerve causes wrist stroke. Wrist stroke is a clinical condition in which there is a weakness or loss of power of extension of the wrist due to damage of the radial nerve. The radial group called radial nerve paralysis wrist stroke. Radial group is called radial wrist stroke. Their cause IM injection, an intramuscular injection. And sleeping at the arm on chair with the thumb hanging by side in the chair is called Saturday night palsy. মানে কোনো drunken ব্যক্তি চেয়ারে হাত দিয়ে হেলান দিয়ে ঘুমিয়ে যায় তখন যে পালসিটা হয় Saturday night palsy. ঠিক আছে? And Cart's paralysis and fracture of the shaft of the humerus. Here দেখো wrist stroke develop condition wrist stroke যেটা motor যেটা loss হবে সেটা হচ্ছে weakness. Motor function সবসময় muscle weakness হবে and loss of power of extension of the wrist and sensory loss কি হবে এটা হচ্ছে streak on the back of the forearm and lateral of the dorsum of the hand. Here flexor retiniculum and short note হিসেবে আসতে পারে flexor retiniculum which is strong fibers band which act as a tie beam and converts the anterior concavity of the carpal bones into as osseo-fibrous tunnel. It is a carpal flexor tunnel অথবা flexor retinaculum. Flexor retinaculum. Attachment গুলো তোমরা পড়বে attachment of flexor retinaculum. So important না. তাহলে structure. The important অনেক সময় ভাইবাতে জিজ্ঞেস করে what are the structure passing to superficial and deep to the flexor retinaculum. Structure passing to superficial to the flexure retinaculum হচ্ছে ulnar nerve, ulnar artery, ulnar cutaneous branch of the ulnar nerve, tendon of the palmaris longus, ulnar cutaneous branch of the medial nerve, superficial palmar branch of radial artery. And structure passing deep to the flexure retinaculum which is tendon of the flexure digitorum superficialis, tendon of the flexure digitorum profundus, and tendon of the flexure pollicis longus and medial nerve. Structure passing is important. The ভাইবাতে ask করে অনেক সময়। Here দেখো flexure retinaculum here. This is flexure retinaculum and structure passing. So the flexure retinaculum. Flexure retinaculum impression হচ্ছে compression of the median nerve on flexure retinaculum. Below the flexure retinaculum, median nerve is present. Compression of the median nerve produce, we know, carpal tunnel syndrome. Here anatomical snap box. Anatomical snap box, triangular depression on the radial side of the wrist, which become visible when thumb is fully extended. যখন আমরা thumb fully extend করব তখন এটা visible হবে। And boundary দেখো boundary anteriorly tendon of the abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis. Posteriorly tendon of the extensor pollicis longus and floor হচ্ছে it is formed by styloid process of radius, scaphoid, trapezius and base of the first metacarpal bone. And roof it is formed by skin and fascia. Here the anatomical snap box. Anatomical snap box. Anatomical snap box only visible when thumb is fully extended. And content ki radial artery. The content of anatomical radial artery and proximal part of first dorsal metacarpal artery. This is anatomical snap box. Fiber related question. Here fiber related question. Tell the clinical importance of radial artery. কেউ বলতে পারবে radial artery? Hello? কেউ কি শুনতে পাচ্ছ? Can anyone hear me?
Yes ma'am, আওয়াজটা ক্লিয়ারলি আসছে।
আমার ক্লাস প্রায় শেষ, তোমরা কি বুঝতে পারছো সবকিছু? স্লাইডগুলো তাড়াতাড়ি দেখো, কোনো স্লাইড যদি মিস্টেক হয় কিংবা বুঝতে চাও তাহলে বলো, আমি রিপিট করবো আবার। এখানে ইম্পর্টেন্ট কিছু ভাইবা কোশ্চেন আছে, ভাইবা কোশ্চেনগুলো দেখে নাও তোমরা। এখানে কার্পাল টানেল সিনড্রোম, এটা ইনভিডিয়েটলি আস্ক করে। তারপর হচ্ছে টেল ইম্পর্টেন্স অফ রেডিয়াল আর্টারি, যেটা আমরা আর্টারি আর পালস হিসেবে দেখি at the wrist. Clinical importance of radial nerve, injury হলে wrist drop develop করে, and satellite palsy, develop satellite palsy. Claw hand satellite palsy, fiber, and median nerve is called laborious nerve. Laborious nerve কেন বলে? It supplies most of the long flexure muscle in the front and anterior compartment of the forearm. This muscle control gross movement and movements are used by lever. মানে ডে লেভাররা ইউজ করে, এজন্য এটাকে আমরা মিডিয়াল নার্ভকে বলি laborious nerve. Which nerve is called laborious nerve? Median nerve is called laborious nerve. Here also fiber related question. Common side of ulnar nerve injury. Where ulnar nerve injury is invariably occur, it is at the elbow, behind the medial epicondyle or distal to the elbow and passes between two heads of flexor carpi alimentated, that means cubital tunnel, and at the wrist joint in front of the flexor retinaculum. Ulnar nerve is called musician nerve. Why ulnar nerve is called musician nerve? Because it controls fine movement of the fingers through its extensive motor distribution to the short muscle of the hand. An important written related question. Also কার্পাল টানেল শর্ট হিসেবে আসবে স্ট্রাকচার পাসিং থ্রু দ্য কার্পাল টানেল medial to lateral. The median are tendons of flexor digitorum superficialis, tendon of flexor digitorum profundus, flexor pollicis longus, and flexor carpi radialis. Hello, class নাকি? Can anyone hear me?
ইয়েস ম্যাম, শোনা যাচ্ছে।
দেখো structure passing carpal tunnel syndrome and flexor retina column also same. Flexor carpi tendon of flexor superficialis and flexor carpi radialis and flexor pollicis and radialis bursa. কোনো প্রবলেম আছে? এনি প্রবলেম? হ্যালো
ম্যাম প্রথমে পড়তে হবে, তো বুঝতে পারছি। ইয়েস ম্যাম।
স্লাইড সবগুলো দেখা গেছে ভালো করে?
হ্যাঁ, স্লাইড দেখা গেছে ম্যাম।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তাহলে ভালো থাকো তোমরা, আবার ক্লাস থেকে দেখা হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ।
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ।